Okay, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. I'm going to do a quick video on a case made for the Galaxy S9 Plus. The case is made by TOZO, and we're going to take a look at it. Now before we get started, let me show you where you get it from. You get it from Amazon. It's the TOZO for Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus Clear Soft TPU Gel Skin. Very thin, ultra thin, slim, soft, protective cover, back plating edge. We'll see what that looks like. $9.99. It's on Prime, free shipping. Under $10, so I like slim cases. This is a clear one. We're gonna check it out. Okay, let's take this out of the wrapper. Hold down at the bottom down here. Okay, TOZO, high quality case, precise cutout. Pretty nice packaging. There we go. Okay, so nothing else in the box, just the case. Put it to the side. Now, it's a soft TPU around the sides. It's pretty flexible. Back is not a hard plastic back, but it's got a nice finished area for the camera. It's thin though, you can see that. Pretty thin. Now, I like the shiny sides. I like that. You got a Bixby button cover right there. Volume up and down rocker. Got your opening for your 3.5mm headphone jack. The charging port's pretty big, and the speaker and the mic, and you got the mic up top, power button on the right. So pretty minimalistic case, but it's nicely done. Nicely done. We're gonna check this out and put this on the device. Okay, let's pop this in. Goes on pretty easily. Nice snug fit, very thin. Now, you're not going to get a lot of protection with this, as you can see. You do have a little bit of a lip there, not a whole lot. As you can see right there, it's a little bit. So I guess you can still put it down on the table easily if you wanted to. But I might be careful with that. But the screen doesn't come up high on the side, so you got your screen right there, your sides. It doesn't affect that at all. The camera, you know, it's got a little bit of depth, but not much. But it won't scratch. No feet on the back, so this going to rub on the table. You'll see how that holds up. Hopefully it doesn't get any watermarks. No rainbow effect yet, so that's good. But it fits like a glove, and it's almost like having nothing on your phone, like having a skin. It's that thin. Fingerprint scanner, you can get to it pretty easily. No problem there. It's a nice looking case. I like the way it looks. It's a little bit thin. A little bit thinner than I might want to use every day. Might not be a daily driver, but it's a nice case. Check it out one more time. Get a good look at it. It's a pretty nice case. So it looks on the device there. Bottom, everything lines up. No problem there. You can see that. Everything lines up there. The mic lines up. The buttons work well. No problem. Slippery. It's a little slippery. It's a little slippery, but it's nice. All right. It's not a bad case. Under $10 for the Galaxy S9 Plus. Now that was a quick look at the TOZO case for the Galaxy S9 Plus, the clear case. If you like it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.